Welcome to my 8th Christmas special. This is all about bear paws, and you can find the recipe in my ebook in the iTunes store. It's called 9 plant-based Christmas cookies. It's super simple. All you need to do is adding all your ingredients to your blender or food processor and blend. You might need to scrape down the sides and repeat. It's done when all ingredients come together and are well blended and sticky. You can rub a tiny amount of coconut oil in your hands and form tablespoon-sized paws. Roll them in some cocoa powder and once covered, place them in a fine mesh sieve so you can shake off any excess powder. And finally decorate them with slivered almonds for the claws. You can store them in your fridge in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Check out all my other videos and my ebook 9 plant-based Christmas cookies. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time, and we will make a special treat, so watch out for aquafaba and spirulina Christmas trees. Cut.